Recording.
Hello, happy Wednesday. I'm about to hit Deals Gap. I'm at the north side right now by the lake. Just about how every one of my videos starts off. I'm hoping there's no police on the Dragon today. I already seen one trooper in an SUV leaving, so that's a good sign. Maybe his day is over. I will tell you, my temperature gauge has been blinking between 88 and 91 degrees. Right now in the shade it is 88 degrees on Deals Gap. So yeah, hopefully there is no law enforcement at 88 degrees. This road is like perfect. But I'm on a Y2K Honda VFR. And as I always tell you when I'm on this bike, I am not flying through here. I am not going to slay the Dragon like I did in 2000 when I bought this bike. Actually, it would be 2001 because in 2000 I had a 1996 Honda VFR 750F. And I bought this bike in November of 2020. I'm sorry, in November of 2000. Because that is late October is when I totaled out my beloved 96 VFR. And that's part of the reason why, if you followed me for a long time, you've seen that I've had multiple 96 Honda VFRs. And if I were somewhere and I saw a 96 Honda VFR for sale right now, I would probably buy it. But I do love this 2000 VFR. If I could put this engine, the VFR 800 engine, and the link braking system into a 96 Honda VFR, that would be the premium. That would be the premium package right there. It would make the perfect bike. I think the 94 through 97 Honda VFR, that was the last of the sporty VFRs. After that, they crossed over to the sport touring and then finally died with the touring. And truthfully, they kind of died when they got rid of the gear-driven cams. I don't know if you can hear the gear whine underneath me, but that's the best part about owning a VFR, is being able to hear those gears just whining and crying underneath you. And I've already got a bike that wants to pass me. He's about 200 pounds lighter than I am, so he can go first. I'll allow it. could they possibly be doing? One lane closed ahead. That can't be good. Oh yeah, this is awesome. I should give up my dreams of owning a GSX-R 750 and just go ahead and buy a small bike. Look how much fun that dude's having. And if he wads it up, it's no big deal. He got his puppy in the sidecar. Wonder if he knows what the rear view mirror is for. Like that I can't do on a VFR. What turkey? They said over the weekend a couple died on a trike up here. That's really sad.